यस निदा, तो मैं ये आपसे कह रही थी कि जुमला फेलिया एंड जुमला इस्मिया, देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ जुमला. ओके, so two kinds of jumla we will read in grammar. One is the jumla felia and one is the jumla ismiya. And the rules of grammar and the different kind of grammar, when we read them, automatically other things will be clear to you. Okay?
Okay, okay.
Yes, we were discussing.
You can give few, matlab you can send us the picture or examples of few jumla felia and few jumla ismiya, so that I can discriminate on my end how to recognize that this is jumla felia and this is just jumla ismiya.
Sure, sure.
If you can share, if you know, so if, because when I'll sit and work at my end, so I want to keep things, you know, very, it's quite, it's so much to learn, it's so much to understand, it's so much to keep in the mind. So I have to look into things in according to my way, that how can I put these number of things in my head, somewhere or other, were to find different ways to understand what exactly we are
Sure, sure.
talking
No
about.
problem. Okay, okay. Inshallah. So, I think we have done two dialogues here. If I remember, this dialogue we have done. Yes, shall we read it or did we have done already? Maza tatlubina min at-ta'am. I guess it's done. Yes, am I audible? My voice is coming.
Yes, yes, yes. Al wahida as sabia tak hum kar chuke the.
Okay.
ठीक है ना, and darasatu, the chapter name, the lesson name was darasatu, हम वो भी कर चुके थे. And आई थिंक सो उसका फर्स्ट पार्ट हमने फर्स्ट और सेकंड जो है ना वो यूनिट कर लिया था, डायलॉग किया था. अल हवार अव्वल एंड हवार सानी, हवाल थर्ड वाज पेंडिंग.
Okay, wait a minute. Al-Hawar Awwal we have done, right? Al-Hawar Sani also we have done. And this one?
The
We need
third one
to...
we have, yeah, this we have done this as well. हम
Okay.
ये भी कर चुके
So
हैं.
it means we have to move on next lesson.
The next lesson, if I'm not wrong, it's darasa. The next lesson is darasa.
Okay.
दरअसल का भी फर्स्ट चैप्टर कर लिया था हमने, हवा सॉरी डायलॉग 1 कर लिया था हमने.
Okay. All right. Let's read it first and then we will move on, inshallah. Okay. Who will read it? Iqra al-fiqra summa ajib anil asighila. Read it. Read this paragraph. Then
This is done,
answer.
teacher. This is done.
Yes. What?
We have done this exercise.
This already we have done.
Yes,
Yes, we have done this.
Okay. We have
we
discussed
have
it
done
in
this.
class.
Yes, we have discussed in the class.
Okay. This is
This is the unit. In this unit, first dialogue we have done. The second one was second one also we have done.
Okay.
Third one is
Who will
not
tell
done.
me al-wahdatu sabi'a?
Unit 7.
Okay. Ad-dirasa.
Ad-dirasa is study.
Hmm. Wait a minute. Okay, so Al-Hiwar al-Awwal, dialogue, first dialogue, Unzur wastami' wa'id, look and listen and repeat. Ghanem, Unzur ilal lawhati, iqra al-jadwala dirasiya. What does it mean? Unzur ilal lawha. Look at the board. Unzur ilal lawha. Iqra al-jadwala dirasiya. Read the timetable of class. Ad-dirasati. I'm really sorry I couldn't get the time. Otherwise, I would have done the translation as well. That's why I'm repeating it slowly. You guys can note down. Ghanim na'am. Yawmus sabt wa yawmul ahad. Ghanim is reading. Yes. Saturday, the day of Saturday and Sunday and Monday. Wa yawmul isnain. Wa yawmul sulasa and Tuesday. Wa yawmul arbi'a and Wednesday. Ghalib al-utlatu yawm al-khamis wa yawm al-jumu'ah. The holiday on yawm al-khamis, on Thursday and Friday. Ghanim, uktub al-mawad dirasiya. Uktub means write down the subjects of classes. Uktub al-mawad dirasiya. Write down the subjects of classes. Ghalib, as-saqafatul islamiyya. As-saqafatul islamiyya, Islamic culture. Wal-lughatul arabiyya, and Arabic language. Wal-riyadiyat, wal-ulum. Wal-riyadiyat is mathematics. Wal-ulum is and science. Wal-hasub and computer. Mata tabdaul ikhtibarat. Mata tabdaul ikhtibarat. When would be the exam started? Mata tabdaul ikhtibarat. When would be the exam started? Ikhtibar, exams. Ghanim, fi shahri Shaban. In the month of Shaban. Ghalib, wa mata yantahi al-aamud dirasi. And when would be the study year ended? When would be the wa mata yantahi al-aamud dirasi? And when would be the study year ended? Al-utlatu salasatu ashhur. What does it mean? Sorry.
We
Ghanim
have
fi,
holidays.
yeah, Ghanim fi shahri Ramazan, in the month of Ramazan. Ghalib, al-utlatu salasatu ashhurin. Yes, yes,
3
Nida?
months holidays. We have 3-month holidays. Utlatu means
Exactly.
holidays.
Yeah,
Salasa means 3 and Ashar means months.
yes. Shahar is singular and ashhurin is plural. Ghanim, alhamdulillah, al-utlatu tawila. What does it mean? Thanks to Allah.
We have long holidays.
Yeah. Ghalib, badatil hissatu.
We will have long vacation.
Exactly. Ghalib, badatil hissatu wajal muallam hayya bina ila saf. What does it mean? Badatil hissatu means lecture has started. Wajal muallim, and teacher came. Ja means came. Wajal Muallim and teacher came. Hayya bina, let's go. Ila saf, to the class. Hayya bina, let's go.
अच्छा, आपने कहा हिस्सा means lecture started. हिस्सा is lecture. और saf is class.
Exactly. Saf and fasal, I also told you. Fasal also class. Like you can say, let's go, hayya bina ila saf or ila al-fasl. Both are correct. Okay, any confusion? Because the vocabulary is little bit difficult. Somebody has any question? Shall we move?
Yes.
Yes. Who will read it and tell me the meaning?
I can read if anybody is not available.
Sure.
Start.
Yeah.
مفردات. انظر واستمع وعد. لغة العربية, Arabic language. مواد دراسية, the material for the subjects. جدول دراسية, timetable for the class.
Derasiyun.
Darasiyun, okay. Saf is class, and Hasub is Al-Hasub is computer. Al-Ulum is science, the subject of science. Al-Riyadiyat is maths. As-Saqafatu Al-Islamiyya is Islamic culture. Ja is come. Ikhtibar is came. Acha, came, okay. Came, and ikhtibar is test or exam. Hissa is lecture. Lawha is board. Yaktubu means he writes. Yantahi means he finished. Yabda means he is going to begin or he is beginning. Yanzuru means he is watching or he is looking.
Perfect. Good job. Next is Assalamu alaikum. Nada. Assalamu alaikum. Ilham wa alaikum assalam. Nada. Ismi Nada. Ana Suriya. Ilham. Ismi Ilham. Ana Saudiya. Ana talibatun fi Jamia Damishq. Okay. Ilham. Ana talibatun fi Jamiati Ummul Qura. Nada. في أي كلية في أي كلية تدرسين في أي is which, like for WH questions I told you earlier, I have shared the chart as well. أي means which, so في أي, in which, كلية تدرسين, in which faculty you are studying. In which faculty you are studying. Ilham, adrusu fi kulliyati tarbiya. I study in the faculty of education. Wafi ayyi, faculty or department. Wafi ayyi kulliyatin tadrusina anti, and in which department you are studying. Nada adrusu fi kulliyati tib. I study in medical department. Ilham saakunu mudarrisatun inshallah. Saakunu mudarrisatin inshallah. What does it mean? Saakunu means I will be a teacher if Allah will want. I will be a teacher. Saakunu is I will be. Mudarrisa. See, this is the very tricky thing. I'm letting it noting down that madrasa is school, mudarrisa is teacher. and tudarrisina is teaching. Here you can see tadrusin. Tadrusin is you study, yeah, or you are studying. But if I would say tudarrisina, it is you are teaching. So try to discriminate the difference in between the same things, but the Arab would be different. And then the meaning would be different. Are you getting my point? Okay. All right. Sa'akunu mudarrisatu. Inshallah, I will be a teacher. Nada wasa akunu tabibatun. Inshallah, and I will be a doctor. Next is Al-Hiwarus Salis. Al-Hiwarus Salis. Third dialogue. Qasim, aina tazhabu ya Ghassan? Where are you going, ya Ghassan? Qasim, Ghassan. Azhabu ilal madrasati. I am going to the school. Qasim, al-waqtu mubakkirun. The early time, as-saatul an as-sadisatu sabahan. It's early time. क्या time हो रहा है right now? What is he saying? As-sadisatu sabahan.
Early morning.
What does it mean?
Sadisa, Khamisa, Sadis. I think so. 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
At six.
Exactly. Exactly. Qasim is saying it's early time. Right now, it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Ghassan, al-madrasatu ba'idatun anil bayt. The school is far from the house. Qasim, mata yabda'ul yawmud dirasiyu. Qasim, when would the wait a minute. When would it started? Today? When would be the study started today? Yes, Nida. Do you want to
No,
say?
no, today hoga ya mata when begin Yawmud Darasiya means when will class start? हाँ Yawma today सही है.
Exactly. When would be the class started or when would be the study started? Ghassan yabda'u sabya sabahan. What is he saying? What is he saying? It starts, It starts
Sabia.
morning at 6. Qasim, hal tazhabu bil hafila. Do you go by the bus? Ghassan, no, la. Azhabu bis sayyara. I am going by the car. Qasim, mata yantahi al yawmud dirasiyu? Qasim, when would it be ended? Today, the classes. Ghassan, yantahi as-saat al-wahidata zuhran. It would be finished or it would be ended at 1 o'clock in afternoon. So you can see that it is not the same translation which I am doing in English, but automatically when we do the practice, we automatically know that how can we make sentences in Arabic. Qasim, kam hissatu tadrusu fil yawm. Kam hissatu tadrusu fil yawm. What does it mean? Who will tell me?
यानी come is hissa.
How
Hissa is lecture. Hissa is lecture, okay. So
Yeah.
kam hissa tadrusu fil yawm. How many lectures have you we will do today, or we did today? How many lectures?
We
Tadrusu
how
means
many
how many
lectures we
subjects
would
we
have
did
today?
today.
Yeah. How many lectures we would have today? Okay. Ghassan adrusu sitta hissasin fil yawmi. We are going to study 7 lectures in our day. Okay, or in today. Qasim maza taf'alu fil istiraha. What would you do in the time out, recess,
Lib
rest time? When kids get the rest time, recess time. This is istiraha. Ghassan azhabu ilal maktabati. I go to the library. Aw ilal mukhtabar. Ya or to the laboratory. Mukhtabar is laboratory. Inshallah, I will try my level best to put the translations here and share it in group. Don't worry. Okay. I hope you got it. Anything? Because we need to remember the vocabulary as we will move on in the lessons. We need to check them out, how the way the dialogues are and how the way we can make the dialogues. All right. Like here, al madrasa tu baidatun anil bait. So how would I make it? Al baitu baidatun anil madrasa. Like these kind of things we can make sentences. All right. Yes, any question so far? Yes, Nida, Zainab. Is there any question?
no, 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 no. Alhamdulillah, nothing.
Yes, okay, teacher.
Okay, all right, we have time left, so let's do some practice about something. Wait a minute. As we have done earlier. Like for instance, if I would say their bed, how would I say?
Can you please repeat again, teacher?
Their bed.
Their sariruha. No, sariruhum.
We would have the fele mudare here. Yes. I was talking about their bed, right?
So there means they are third person, na? They are
But bed,
third person.
yeah. This is the fail. We
Fail.
can
Okay.
go through the detached and attached pronouns where it is. Wait a minute.
Sarir is ism, na?
Yes. Bed is ism.
So bed is ism. So
Hua
home, home refers to multiple.
Yeah.
Third person refers multiple, and huma refers to two, male or female. So it should,
Their bed.
if I'm not wrong, it should be sariru hum.
Sariru huma. Or
Huma will be two.
sariruhum.
Ha, fine.
Okay, sariruhum or sariruhuma. Their bed. Like for instance, I would
Let's tell
say
me one thing. This attached pronouns will basically come with ism only. Ism only. This because these are pronouns, na? So these I'm not talking about attached. I'm talking about attached. These attached pronouns will be connected with ism only.
exactly.
Okay.
So this is the way, how can we say this is your book? I am talking about multiple females. This is your book.
هذا كتاب هن
Haza kitabu kunna.
हाजी ही होगा ना, मल्टीपल फीमेल्स है ना, हाजी ही
كتاب هن
किताब की बात हो रही है. हाजा किताबुन. हाजा किताबु कुन्ना.
नहीं, हाजा वी यूज फॉर मेल
For-
एंड हाजी
for
ही
the-
वी यूज फॉर फीमेल ना.
Haza we are using the for the
كتاب
in this
male.
sentence we are using for the book. Are you getting it? This is your book.
ओके ओके ओके
This
ओके.
is the book which is yours. Okay.
किताब.
So
ओके
this
फाइन,
is the
किताब इज
way we
मेल.
need to,
ओके ओके
yeah.
ओके.
Haza is using for book, not females. I'm talking about this book, okay? So this is your book, Haza kitabu kunna. Or if there would be male, Haza kitabu kum. Likewise, if I would say this is their book, so how would I say? Haza kitabu hum. Haza kitabu hunna. All right? Likewise, a lot of sentences we can make, like they washed their clothes. غسلتهم ملابسهم. All right? They washed their clothes.
वॉश्ड है मतलब इट्स पास्ट, मतलब they have done it. Okay. So
Exactly.
غسلتهم.
Yes.
And if for multiple males it should be malabisuhum.
Exactly.
Ghasaltu. I think so
Their
it will be
clothes.
ghasaltum and malabisuhum, if I'm not wrong,
Ghasal. Wait a minute. Here we have the
because
chart.
we are talking about past na. Ghasaltum.
Let's see the chart of past.
Because we are talking about third person.
Yes, we are talking about third person.
हाँ तो for third person in past we use tamim, tum. How darab
Sorry.
tum tha, darab tum.
Ghasal. हाँ, yes. Ghasalu. See, darabu. Ghasalu.
Hmm.
Right?
Hmm.
Malabisu. Ghasalu malabisu.
Okay.
Are you getting it?
Yes, getting
And
it.
if
Okay,
we
third
would
person.
make it in Fe'l Mudare, so let's make it. Like here is Fe'l Mudare. Ghasaltu.
Ghasaluna
Sorry.
malabisuna.
Yes. Yaghsiluna. Sorry. Yaghsiluna malabisuna. Right? Yaghsiluna malabisuna. They are washing their clothes. Yadribuna. Right? Yadribu, yadribani, yadribuna. If I'm talking about two people, ghaib, absent, so I would say yaghsilani
Malabisani.
Exactly. Yaghsilani malabisani. All right. And this is the very similar with the Una Ina chart. Do you remember? कुछ याद आ रहा है?
याद तो आ रहा है मगर इतना कुछ है
Exactly,
कि वहां तक पहुंचना ना मुश्किल हो जाता है.
I can understand, but we need to do a lot of practice. And I am thinking that for upcoming 2 to 3 classes, we need to spend in only practice. So, including me everyone have the assignment, home assignment, to make a lot of sentences or vocabulary gathered, and in class we will practice a lot. Firstly, we will do the practice with Fele Mudare and then with Fele Mazi and then with Fele Amar, inshallah. Okay? And I'll try my level best to take out the words from Quran, inshallah. So we will discuss about those words as well. But this is the very important thing that we need to remember. This chart is for most important chart. Wait a minute. This one. We need to remember it and practice it a lot. And it is very easy. Just keep remember that this is the Rafa, Nasab and Jar chart through which we can easily make sentences, through which we can easily discriminate in between the Arab. All right. I hope everyone got clear. Let's wrap up the class. If there would be any questions, so kindly do let me know. Otherwise, we will wrap it up. Yes. Is there any question? No? Okay.
No.
يكفي هذا باليوم بإذن الله تعالى سنلتقي غدا مع السلامة.
Ma salama.